In this tutorial, we'll review how to rename files in your Blackboard course if you're using Microsoft Word HTML pages. Those are courses which you edit using either Blackboard Drive or a WebDAV connection. So we'll go down here to the control panel and the files. We'll click on the course ID that links us to the content collection. As you can see, this is a pretty clean course because it's not a course, so it's just a prototype. But we'll go here in the My Course Files area. We'll see the syllabus and the lessons folder, and within the lessons folder we'll go to lesson 1 where there's some actual chaos going on. As you may know, courses whose pages were created in Microsoft Word, they come with an accompanying folder. Each file comes with a folder. And what you need to know is that folder and that file must be in the same place. They're connected, they're buddies. And so if one changes, the other changes. And typically, that's done automatically. Word will change and adapt these folders based on what you put in the file. But in this case, we're going to be manipulating the file, and I'm going to show you how the folder is going to change. So, based on what we know about good file naming conventions, we can see that this file right down here, Old Grammar Assignment, is it's poorly named for a couple reasons. First off, there's some caps here under Old, and worse, there are spaces here. So we're going to rename this, and the way to do that is you click on the action link, you go here to Edit Settings, which is not intuitive, but that's what you do, and we're going to remove the old and get rid of the caps and put a hyphen in there. Hyphens and underscores are no problem at all. Spaces are bad. So I'm going to put Grammar Assignment and update that file name. Now here's the deal. This is the catch. We've updated this file name, but it no longer corresponds to this. We have to deliberately change this guy as well. And the way we do that is we open this file through the WebDAV connection. So I have this course open in Blackboard Drive. You can see right here I'm connected. So I'm going to navigate to this file through my Blackboard Drive. It takes a moment, and there they are. And here we go. And so what I need to do is open this. Not like that. Sorry, I haven't done this in a while. Okay, I need to open with Microsoft Word. And you can get there by opening Word first and navigating to this volume. There are lots of ways to do it. So one of the things that happens when you've renamed a file and you need to update the folder is this little message will pop up. And if you can't read it, it says, some of the files in this web page aren't in the expected location. Do you want to open it anyway? Do you trust this? And hit yes. And you'll see there's my grammar assignment. Now the way that we can reconnect this changed file to the folder is simply to make a change in here and save it. So I'm taking out one of the 3 exclamation marks and I am hitting save, and it's working. Takes a moment. And there goes. Blackboard Drive is talking to the server, and if we go back in here and we refresh this page, we will see that Blackboard or Word, you can see that the file is open. That's why it's locked for editing. You can see grammar assignment here, and this grammar assignment files folder was created. So that's great. That's exactly what we want. We want Microsoft Word to generate these folders. We don't want to manually rename this one because it doesn't work. So now I can delete this old folder, and we should be good to go. And by changing that name, we don't break the link in the course. And I can show you that over here because I know that this file was linked here in Lesson 1, and it's called Grammar. And we open it, and you can see there's only 2 exclamation marks. So this is the updated file, and it's still connected in my lesson. It's still linked here. And that's how you do it. So just to briefly review these steps, maybe, here we go. Yeah, here it is. Okay, to review these steps for renaming files, and these are files that are created in Microsoft Word, which you edit using either Blackboard Drive or your WebDAV connection, is you rename the file in Blackboard, you open the file through your WebDAV connection or Blackboard Drive, make a minor edit and save it. And if you need to, remove that minor edit and save again. All we need to do is edit the file and save it somehow. So you can add a space even, something very minor, and then simply save it, and then if you need to delete that space, just save the file again, and everything should work just fine.